Let's talk about the word over. Sometimes it means like something is above. In that case, in Spanish is arriba, sobre, encima. Ve una nave espacial sobre ese edificio. Over is also used to express when something is finished. In that case, in Spanish, would be terminar, acabar. La película se acabó. Over can be used as more than. In that case, it's going to be más de. She has over 10 cats. Ella tiene más de 10 gatos. Over as during, durante. Voy a leerme el libro durante el fin de semana. Over, when you're using it as again or something that you do repeatedly, is going to be otra vez. Let's see if you can figure out how do we say over and over. The expression get over it would be supéralo. You want to practice your Spanish, but you don't have people around to practice with. Just book a class with me. Let's practice.